Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to see class 3rd standard subject Maths Board CBSE chapter 9 Money. So in the chapter Money today we are going to see exercise 5, that is multiplication of rupees and paise. So we are going to multiply rupees and then paise. See, listen children, first they have given rupees 15 rupees. So we are going to multiply 15 rupees by 3. We are going to multiply by 3. So here they didn't give paise, okay, 0, 0 they have given. So for paise they have given 0, so there is no paise here, only rupees. So like ordinary multiplication we are going to multiply this, then at last we have to put the dot for paise, that is after 2 digit. So 3 zeros are 0. Next 3 zeros are 0, then after 2 digit put the dot, then 3 5s are 15. So 2 digit, so what you will do, you will write this 5 here, then 1 carry over in the next place, sorry. So 3 5s are 15, 5, 1 carry over in the next place, then 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 1 is 4, then write the rupees symbol children. So what is the answer? 45 rupees. What is the answer? 45 rupees. So you can write 45.00 also or only rupees 45, because here there is no paise, okay. Next one, same multiplication. First you would multiply paises, then after that rupees. So 7 5s are 35, so 5, then 3 carry over in the next place, that is before place, then next 7 2s are 14, next you will add 14 plus 3. So 14 plus 3 is 15, 16, 17, so you write 7. Next 1 carry over in the next place, then put the dot, okay, after 2 digits put the dot. Next 7 8s are 56, 56 plus 1 is, so this you have to add, so 56 plus 1 is 57, write rupees symbol. So tell me the answer now. 57 rupees 75 paise. Next one, 9 rupees 50 paise multiply by 6. So listen, first you write in the columns 9 rupees 50 paise multiply by 6. So we are going to multiply first paise, after that rupees. So 6 zeros are 0. Next 6 5s are 30. So you write 0. Then 3 carry over in the next place, so put the dot after 2 digit, the dot, then 6 9s are 54, 54 plus 3 is 55, 56, 57. So you write 57, then write the rupees symbol. So tell me the answer now. So 57 rupees. So you write 57 rupees, 57.00. Next 5 rupees 75 paise we are going to multiply by 9. We are going to multiply by 9. So tell me, first you will multiply paise. So what is 9 5s are? 9 5s are 45. So you write 5, then 4 carry over in the next place. Next 9 7s are is 63. Next you add 63 plus 4 is 64, 65, 66, 67. So you write 7, 6 carry over in the next place, then put the dot. Next 9 5s are is 45. then you add 45 plus 6. 45 plus 6 is 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, then 51. So you write 51, write rupee symbol. So now you tell me the answer. 51 rupees 75 paise. So the answer is 51 rupees 75 paise. Next one, a ride on a roller coaster cost rupees 15. What is the amount to be paid for 10 children? So what is the cost of one ride is 15 rupees they have given. So for one children. So for 10 children, what is the cost amount to be paid? So what we have to do? They are asking for 10. So many things if they are asking, we are going to multiply. We are going to multiply. So write solution. So you write cost of one ride equal to, so cost of one ride equal to rupees 15. So amount to be paid for 10 children. Amount to be paid for 10 children equal to, what we are going to do? We are going to multiply by 10. So rupees 15 multiply by 10. So listen children, when we are going to multiply 10 and then 100, what you will do it? You will multiply only with the number, then after that you will write the 0. So 15 ones are, write rupee symbol, 15 ones are 15, then include the 0. So what is the answer? 150 rupees. So you write answer is, so amount to be paid for is, so rupees 150 to be paid for 10 children. You can write rupees 150 to be paid for 10 children. So listen children, a ride on a roller coaster cost rupees 15. What is the amount to be paid for 10 children? So first you write cost of one ride, that is for one children, rupees 15. Next, amount to be paid for 10 children. So 10 children equal to rupees 15 into 10. So 15 into 10, if you multiply, rupees 150 rupees. So how much money to be paid for the 10 children? Rupees 150 to be paid for 10 children. Next one, teacher bought 10 boxes of chalk for her class. Each box cost rupees 25 rupees 75 paise. How much money did she spend? So listen children, what is the cost of one box chalk piece boxes? 25 rupees 75 paise. So teacher bought 10 boxes of chalk. How much box? 10 boxes of chalk she bought. So how much rupees she spent, they are asking. So what we have to do? We are going to multiply, because 10 boxes of chalk they have given for one box of chalks. So we are going to multiply and then find out the answer. So write solution. Write solution. Next, you can write cost of one box of chalk. Cost of one box of chalk equal to rupees 25 rupees 75 paise. Next, cost of 10 boxes of chalk. Cost of 10 boxes of chalk equal to, you will multiply 25.75 by 10, you will multiply. Okay. So one box of chalk is 25 rupees 75 paise. So 10 box of chalk means you will multiply by 10. So if you are multiplying by 10, what you will do, you will write all the numbers, then you will include this this 0. Okay, if you multiply with this 1, you will get the same answer, then you will write this 0. Next, how many places children here after the decimal, after the dot? Two digits are there. Okay, so what you have to do, at last you leave 2 digit, 1, 2, then put the dot. So what is the answer? So what is how much she spent for 10 boxes of chalk? 257 rupees 50 paise. So you can write answer, teacher spent, sorry. So you can write teacher spent rupees 257 rupees 50 paise. So we have completed exercise 5. So in the next class, so we have completed, this is exercise 5. In the next class, we will see exercise 6. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you children.